Welcome to the OC Sand Treatment Plant 1. It helps provide wastewater treatment for 2.6 million customers in Orange County, California. The plant depends on many moving parts working reliably together to function. In 2020, the existing ferric chloride delivery system needed replacement due to both age and leakage. This system is critical to prevent the buildup of scale in pumps and pipelines. Dudek was hired to design the replacement of the ferric chloride pipeline system, consisting of over 2,000 linear feet of pipe through several underground tunnels. During the replacement process, the delivery system needed to keep running continuously for the treatment plant to remain fully operational. Dudek designed the replacement project with phased construction, allowing the plant to function without any interruptions during the repairs. The successful replacement of the ferric chloride delivery system helps keep the OC Sand Treatment Plant 1 running reliably. This key facility provides millions of customers in the central and northwest region of Orange County, California with wastewater treatment services.